John Journey from beautiful Vienna Square. Once again, I'm with sales manager Terry Maddox. And Terry, I see we've got a special guest appearance today, don't we?
We do. This is Muffin, and she's the daughter of Chris and Helen Burhans, one of our homeowners.
Well, I hope she doesn't expect any royalties out of this video.
No. Just a dog biscuit.
I think we can do that. Now, Muffin, are you going to tell us about the May specials, or should we let Terry do that?
I think I'll do that.
Okay.
We have a promotion going on for May where 3 of our inventory homes are available at our old prices. We had a price increase on May 1st, and we can bypass that and get them available for you at the old price.
And I understand there's some savings up to $10,000.
There is.
Well, that's great. Now, Terry, those are great prices, but can we do that one-time payment special on these?
Yes, we can, John. It's available for approximately, the villas are about $81,000 deposit, and you never have a house payment as long as you live in the home.
Wow, so great prices. I can put down $81,000 and never make another monthly mortgage payment.
Yes, come and see us. We'll tell you all about it.
Folks, come on down, see us at Vienna Square. Be sure to ask for Muffin. We'll see you soon.